presentation about my science research. And okay, my topic is when do we feel movement. So one day I was watching a video and I felt curious about when do we feel the motion film as a natural movement. So before I tell my hypothesis and my experiment, I'll introduce about FPS. FPS is frames per second, which basically means how many pictures you can see in 1 second. So my hypothesis was that people will begin to feel motion film as a movement when the film has FPS between 10 and 20. So I did an experiment. I made 6 videos with 6, 12, 18, and 24, and 30, and 60 FPS. Then I showed them in an order to the numbers. And watching the video, I asked the experiment helpers if the video is natural or non-natural. As a result, I got the graph. As we can see, only one people answered it is natural in 6 and 12 frames per second. But from the 18 frames per second, people begin to feel natural. And in 60 frames per second, every people said it is natural. So, as we can see, it seems people feel natural when the video has more than 18 frames per second. In my experiment, I didn't have enough time and enough participants to help my experiment, so I couldn't get much samples. And I hope the results will be more reliable when we have a bigger sample size. Any questions? No? Thank you.
I agree. I think the turn of the frame is too big. How do you think about it?
But when we have 2 little scales, we have to do like 15 times or much more than 6 times. So I had no choice.
Also the starting point of the people when people feels the frame is very good, it means okay, that's it.
Okay, thank you.